Hi guys, this is Maxine, the ugly one.
And this
Say
is
hi.
Papa the pangit.
No, I'm...
You're so pangit.
No. Maxine is so ugly.
No, you.
No. Why you're so ugly, Maxine?
You ugly because malupok na karni mo chan.
No.
Yes.
Maxine is so very cute, ugly. A little cute, ugly. A pretty annoying.
Pretty annoying.
No. I'm so handsome.
You're so handsome, the pangit.
Hi, Pons.
Hindi.
This is Maxine.
Hindi.
Maxine, the big teeth and a big nose. And a big nose. Yes. And she has ng pimples.
No.
Because she has so many crush in a school. Any crush in a school now. So many pimples na yun. Oh, yeah. No, pimples here. No?
No.
Hi. Ay, so bad.
Handsome and no teeth.
No, my teeth is so complete.
No, my teeth is
Yes.
so weird.
Your teeth is black.
No.
A black teeth. Don't brush in school.
No, I brush in school.
Did you buy Did buy that toothpaste? Where did you get toothpaste? Why?
Bakal toothpaste.
Yeah. Just buy.
Papabakal mo ko toothpaste na gamay.
Nabay na
Ang toothpaste na gamay. Bala doon mo, hindi bala pa.
Hindi na saya.
Mangiban ko yung kaso na may gamay na toothpaste.
May ara na dagamay nga toothpaste si tita in the store. You buy in the store. Why? Did you have a crush in school?
No.
Who is she? Who is he? Oh,
Ang pangalan niya.
Ay!
Guys, si Papa pala may